So hello fellow coin collectors, this is Glenn back with another video. Today we're just going to talk about the 1976 proof coin set. So these proof coin sets were actually first issued in 1966, and this is the issued 10 years after the first one was issued. Now 1967-68 didn't have a proof set, probably because they didn't include a 50-cent coin in these sets, so they didn't bother actually making a set. So all these coins are actually very high minted. So the 1 cent has a mintage of about 173 million. The 2 cent, as they were both minted at the Canberra and the Perth mint, the Canberra had 71.88 and Perth had 50 million. So it's about 130 million coins of the 2 cent. The 5 cent had 113.18 million. So that's quite a lot of coins for 1976. And this is at an age when coinage was used. No one actually used electronic payment, so coinage numbers actually increased. So the 10 cent had 57.606 million. The 20 cent had, let me have a look, 53.3 million. Oh no, 59.77 million. So nearly 60 million coins. So it's nearly 60 million for 1976 20 cent. And the 50 cent had 27.3 million. So that's the lowest. So they're all pretty common coins. And the difference between the proof and the uncirculated sets, I'll use it with these two coins. So if you can see, this coin actually has frosting. So the frosting occurs all around here on the actual image, and where there is no image, it's just the actual base of the coin, there is no frosting on it. And the normal coins have no frosting on it. This includes circulated coins and also the uncirculated coin sets. And if we have a look at the other side, so I don't have a portrait of the Queen's effigy, or the first one. So here you just see it's all pretty much the same as the background. Here you can see it's actually frosted, so the background is just plain and the Queen's image is actually frosted. So that is the difference between proof and all the other coins. And this occurs pretty much in all the other countries. So you can see all the frosting over here. Nice. Also on the lyrebird, on the echidna, on the feather-tailed glider, on the frill-neck lizard, and on the coat of arms. That's all frosted. And if we look at the other side, you can see that the Queen's effigy is also frosted as well as the letterings, the Australia, the date, and Elizabeth II. And they are proof sets. So that's how you tell a proof set from any other type of coin. And if these go into circulation, they're actually still a proof coin. They're just a circulated proof coin, because proof is actually a way of producing the coin. It's actually not a grade. So if you get these graded, you get it graded at proof so and so, proof 76, proof 68. If it's circulated, you can never get proof 25. And that is the actual Sheldon system, because that has a, you can actually get a better grade because they use numbering, which is more efficient actually, because you can narrow it down to a certain number, which gives it a certain category in a grade. So what are the values of these coins? Well, with only 21,200, this is actually not too common to get. They pretty much double the 1974 number that they actually issued, which is 11,000. So the value is actually a lot lower, but it has a book value of $80. But if you try eBay, you can try and get them for about $30 to $40. That doesn't, if you include postage on that, you're probably paying about $40 to $50. So that is about 50% of the book value of these actual coins. And there are no varieties as far as I know. Oh, and the actual price that they cost when they were first issued was $14, which at the time is probably about $140 now. So yeah, probably about 9,000% increase. So that is actually, I'm not too sure if that actually kept up with inflation. But the sets earlier actually increased a lot more than what inflation was. So anyway, I'd like to say thank you very much for watching this video. If you like proof coin sets, I'll leave a link down below to eBay so you can have a look and see if there's anything good to get. But really, you're going to be paying about $40 to $50 with postage for these sets. And there's actually not too many that I've seen that they are actually selling on eBay. And a good idea is actually not to take these apart so you can see they're probably glued together. And yeah, it's just something that I just wanted to show you and give you whatever the values are now. Have a nice coin collecting time, and thank you very much for watching my video. Okay, bye bye.